Day 28, Thursday the 28th of May. The sun is out today, which makes a big difference to how everything looks, especially the mountains.
We headed to the Marina Motel, where we were to leave the RV parked and catch the Kenai Seward shuttle bus. The shuttle was ready and waiting for us, and soon we were checked in for our 12:30 p.m. cruise. We are on board the Nunatak, and there are plenty of people, young and not so young, boarding today.
After a short stretch of inner harbour navigating, we left Seward behind us and headed for open waters. Our tour took in Resolution Bay with all of its islands, bays and coves.
The first cove we encountered was Thumb Cove, with spectacular rock faces. These are the Orca Island cabins where you can rent and stay. We saw hundreds of seagulls perched on the cliffs at Cape Resurrection, and as we approached they all jumped off together, then went back to their perch and protested with a very loud squawk, and all together. There was a large colony of seals sunbathing on the rocks. There were many stellar sea lions lolling on the rocks, taking advantage of the sunshine too.
Although we didn't get up close, we did get views of a distant glacier, and I was able to get a better view with my zoom lens. Further out of Resurrection Bay, we stopped to watch a humpback whale and her calf swim alongside us from a wee distance. There were gasps from the girls on board as they both appeared every so often and slid slowly through the water. Apparently, the last 41 tour boats had not seen whales, but we did.
The skipper was really clever at getting the boat into small coves and very close to the rocks. My favourite spot to view was Spire Cove. The way the rocks stood in spires and how they are grouped looked stunning.
Sharon managed to grab a photo of what they call a bergy bit, which is a piece of glacier ice that was floating by.
There were mountain goats and their babies in precarious places on the cliffs, happily feeding on whatever they could find. The entire trip of 4.5 hours was worth it. Oh, and lunch was amazing. A hot chicken burrito with corn chips, sour cream and salsa.
Then the crew placed a tray full of extra burritos they had made for anyone who wanted to help themselves.
And near the end of the trip, they served fresh baked cookies back on board. Delicious. We have to give a massive shout out to the skipper and crew. The commentary was interesting and the crew was so helpful and engaging with the guests. So friendly.
We arrived back right on 5 p.m, got the shuttle back to our RV, and then it was back to our beautiful spot near the river for our last night in Seward.
We have both thoroughly enjoyed our stay here.
The end.